The afternoon sun shone bright as Bluey raced across the yard, her paws thumping with energy. She called out, "Come on friends," her voice sparkling with excitement. Bingo followed close, giggling loud enough to make the birds scatter in surprise. 5 seconds later Coco and Snickers trotted in, tails wagging. "What game today?" Coco asked, her eyes wide with curiosity. Bluey grinned, everything at once, and tossed a ball high into the air, her laughter bubbling like pure joy. The pups scrambled, bumping into each other, shouting, tumbling, giggling so loud it echoed like a parade of fun. Winton waddled over. "Don't forget me," he barked with drama. Bluey tossed him the ball, but it bounced off his nose, making everyone burst into laughter. Bingo clutched her tummy, rolling in the grass. That was the funniest thing ever, her voice shaky with giggles. 10 seconds later Muffin arrived, her bow crooked. "I'm ready," she shouted proudly. "Tag," Bluey yelled, tapping her, and the chase began. They darted between trees, zipped around the slide, tripped, squealed, and shrieked with nonstop happiness. Muffin caught Snickers, Snickers tagged Bingo, and soon everyone was running in circles, their tails wagging faster than the wind. As the sun dipped lower, they flopped into a pile of tired pups, panting but still smiling. Bluey sighed, "Friends make every game better," her voice soft but filled with true contentment. Coco nodded, "Best day ever," while Winton squeaked, "Let's play again tomorrow," his eyes glowing with joyful hope. Bluey turned to the camera, her grin wide. If our big fun with friends made you smile, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more amazing adventure.